Hello my loves, it's Lorena and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I went through a little bit of a dry spell. This past year has been really intense, I think, for most of us. And for a while I wasn't creating stuff anymore, but inspiration has finally sprung back in and I am ready to jump back in and bring you all videos and more content. Sorry, I have some allergies. Yeah, the South is intense. But today I'm sharing with you all a PR package I got from Good Molecules. This pollen is no joke. Today I have a PR package from Good Molecules. They sent some really amazing stuff. This is my first skincare PR package and I'm sure we're gonna have a lot more coming soon, so just stay tuned for those. But let's go ahead and open it. And y'all gotta see this. This is so cute. Look at the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I feel like if a company really focuses on its packaging, it's because they care about the first impression that a customer has of their product, and Good Molecules is definitely killing it. This is beautiful. This is a whole experience to open. This is just a little welcome card. Very cute. So this is what we got. First up, I got the Instant Cleansing Balm. So this is actually something I've been wanting to get. A while ago when I first started my skincare journey, after dealing with acne for a while and stuff, I started double cleansing, which is where you use an oil-based cleanser first to remove like any makeup residue and all of that stuff. And then you use a water-based cleanser to just get rid of like dirt and other gunk that's in your skin. So this is definitely going to be something amazing to use to get back into that habit, because lately I felt like my skin has been a little clogged up again and stuff. So I'm very excited to add this to my skincare routine. Oh, I almost forgot to take it out of the box, but let's do that. This is what the cleansing balm looks like. The packaging, very cute. Oh, it comes with a little spatula and a cover. It just has a very soft, gentle smell. I like that it comes with extra covers because I like to make sure that all of my skincare stuff stays nice and clean. You really want to make sure that that happens so you don't get additional breakouts. Next up, we have this hyaluronic acid serum. Oh, and let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Let's just see how the whole thing looks. Look at this. This is so cute. I love hyaluronic acid serums because I have very dry skin due to the acne medication I take. So this is something I typically use in the morning, like as the base before I put on my under eye cream and my daily moisturizer and everything else. I always go in with a hyaluronic acid serum, and this one is perfect for AM and PM use. Next up, I have the silicone-free priming moisturizer. This one has shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative, and it's made to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. I don't know why I'm opening it like this. This is beautiful to like display in your bathroom, which also makes you more inclined to actually use the products because it's just important to really establish a skincare routine. So this one is also really great for using in the morning and at night, but this is just going to be a great moisturizer to put under your makeup before you do like your primer and your foundation. So yeah, excited to use this as well. This next product is something, sorry about my voice, the allergies are wild down here, but this next product is something I was super excited about. I've actually seen it on Instagram a lot, and this is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. It's formulated to help revitalize and energize the under eye area, and I feel like with everything that's been going on this past year, I had a lot of like problems with my insomnia, so my under eye circles have gotten really bad. I don't really have a great sleep schedule, so this is definitely something I'm going to be using a lot as I try to regulate my sleep schedule a little better. But this is what it looks like. You just need a tiny little bit for under your eyes, and it should help a lot with just brightening them up and making it better so you look nice and youthful. This can be used in the morning and at night. So we love that, especially as a student who stays up studying until very late. Oh, and then last but not least, we have the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I was already gonna open it, but this is great for brightening and improving the appearance of enlarged pores We don't want large pores, so this is going to help us shrink them down so we have nice, beautiful, seamless skin with or without makeup. So this is what it looks like. Super cute and fancy. This has niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root to help with those pores. So you just put this on a little cotton pad or a reusable pad that you can use for like removing makeup and stuff. And yeah, just dab it all on your skin. And again, this can be used in the morning or at night. We got basically a whole new skincare routine so that we can try it out and just see if it works for our skin. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on my progress. But I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing a PR package with me. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future, because we are going to be getting a few more packages from other companies. And as I move forward with this journey as a micro influencer, I'm definitely going to be sharing all my secrets as to how I land these brand deals. So make sure you stay subscribed so you can see all of that in upcoming videos. I just want to make sure I gather a lot of information so my videos are thorough. But yeah. Thank you all so much for your patience, for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye!